Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get access to TikTok Shop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. So once you open TikTok application, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom. Then you simply need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to click on account, and here you can see TikTok Shop for seller. If you are a seller, click here. Wait for few seconds so that the next tab will be open, and here you need to United Kingdom merchant. So you simply need to add your phone number or email and click on continue, or you can sign up with TikTok account. Let's suppose if I want to sign up with TikTok account, I click here. I simply sign up for TikTok Shop, and then I can easily access TikTok Shop in my TikTok account. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.